use the ABC Splash website, the statistics one. We've just looked at refugees and asylum seekers, but I want to show you the country of birth tab as well. This is going to be really helpful as well for your project. So with this data here, again, we've got a infograph which shows us some statistics in imagery form. You can use this one here. You can screenshot it and use that one for your project. What we're really looking at here is the interactive graph and the table data. What you can do is select a year, okay, so a year for the data to be shown, and we can also choose a destination for where these people have come from. Now just keep in mind that these people aren't just refugees, these are people who have migrated, so sometimes by free will, they've chosen to migrate to Australia. We can choose gender. This map here shows us where these people have come from. You can select over it and it tells you a bit more data on it where these people were born. But the interesting thing that you can use for this is how migration patterns have changed over time. So if we were to look at this graph here, we can choose a country. Let's say Iraq, and let's take England off, and it shows us how many people have migrated to Australia from 1976 all the way through to 2006. All right, we can see trends in the data here that you can use for your project. So this is really helpful. You can also download it as well. If we were to go to the data table, that just puts that information into a table form again, like we saw with the refugee information. This can also be downloaded as well. So lots and lots and lots of stuff there that you can incorporate into your project. Please make sure you use it. Just screenshot it, download that data, and incorporate as many of these graphs, images, infographics that you can to make your project look really fancy.